In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually create multiple streams of income using SystemeIO. Hey, hello, my name is Ina Castillo, and the reason why I'm super excited about this topic is because thanks to digital marketing, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs, and I was able to pay my debts. So that's the reason why I create this set of videos, so you can have a different mindset or a different way if you can see and recognize different opportunities that are out there and you are going to have all the information. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually use this all-in-one marketing solution. And it's not only related to the affiliate program, it's actually beyond the affiliate program. So let me share with you everything here on my screen because I want to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Just in case that you don't know, well, SystemeIO is an all-in-one marketing solution. So that means that you can open a free account by using the link below. Yeah, it's a 100% free account. The only thing that they're going to ask you is for your email address. They're not going to be asking you for a way in which they can um, process the payment like a PayPal or a credit card. No. Okay, so literally you're going to open a free account using the link below and you can build your business 100% for free. Okay, this is a free account. This is not a free trial. Okay, so take that into consideration. And you're gonna have all the tools that you need to build your funnels, emails, etc. But most people think that the only way that they can do or earn money with SystemeIO most of the time is just with the affiliate program. So you can see right now they already paid over $5 million in commission to their affiliates. Literally, you can actually be an affiliate. You can refer someone, and if that person makes an upgrade to a paid plan, you're going to be earning 60% lifetime commission. They do have a strong affiliate tracking. So your affiliate link, it's going to be attached to every email they send to your referrals. There is no condition to join the affiliate program. Literally, everybody can join. But this is not the only way you can earn money with it. But you need to understand, first of all, the tools and everything. So here are the plans that they do have. The first one is the free one. Everybody started with the free one. Yeah, they give you a free plan. It's limited, but you have the opportunity to have three funnels, automations. You can connect your domain, and this is something super powerful because with other tools that I have used in the past, first of all, I was spending way more money. The other thing is that I need to integrate them because they were, I need to use multiple tools in order to accomplish what I was trying to do. And I could not connect a domain if I was on a free trial or a free plan. And as you can see now, the next plan here is $17. Then they have the webinar one, which is $47. And if someone go all in with the unlimited one, it's just $97. When I got started with my online business, I was spending $500 just on tools. And my profit was literally zero. I was just getting started. So now you can open a free account and you're going to have 2,000 contacts. You can do automations, you can send emails, and take this into consideration. If someone is taking their business seriously, spending $17 per month is a great deal, okay? And they're going to have 5,000 contacts. So let's stay with what you get with the free plan, okay? So you're going to have the opportunity to have 2,000 contacts. You can do email marketing. You can send broadcast emails. You're going to have the opportunity to do one automation. You can have three funnels. The only thing that you cannot do is the evergreen webinar, but you can do A/B tests. You can connect a custom domain. You can actually have a calendar so someone can book a call with you. You can integrate several payment processors. You can have a blog. You can run an e-commerce store. You can have your own online business, online course as a business if you want. You can have your own community. You can have your own affiliate program. You're going to have the opportunity to have reach them with customer service. Okay, so there are other integrations here. And literally, this is just with the free plan. Okay, so with that said, which are the ways in which you can actually earn with SystemeIO. Okay, the very first way it's by having a digital marketing agency. Just in case that you are like, okay, but I don't know. I don't know about, or I don't feel comfortable. I don't think I have the design skills and all the stuff. This is the cool thing. With SystemeIO, you're going to have multiple templates. Okay. You're going to see here, you're going to have multiple templates for different categories. So literally you can choose the one that you want and you can customize it. They're full customizable, literally drag and drop. You can double click and you can change the text. You can choose the color. You can choose the font size if you want to replace an image. Okay, these are 100% full customizable designs, and you can actually have your own agency by this. Okay, you're gonna have the opportunity to work from home. You can have customers that are gonna be worldwide. You can find them, on websites like Freelancer, People Per Hour, Fiverr, and others. Also, you can use your social networks to get clients thanks to your social media. Okay, you can upload your portfolio and you can actually reach companies even using Google Maps. Okay, this is way more than just a website because as you can, as I showed you before, and as you can tell right now, you can have a website, you can have funnels, you can do email marketing, you can even send SMS messages, you can run evergreen webinars, you can have a calendar. So it's way more than a simple website. And you can tell people like, hey, because of the fact that everybody needs to have their own SystemeIO account, you can tell them like, hey, this is my regular price, but if you open an account with my link, you're gonna have a different, a discount price. Because when they do an upgrade, because they understand that this is a business, and the price to have it. Remember, the first one is just $17. It's a great deal. Okay, so this is actually the very first way. So now you're gonna have the opportunity to sell your knowledge online. You can sell an online course. Really cool thing is that you can have a course on video, PDF. You can do one-on-one call. You can do webinars and others. And this is a great thing about SystemeIO. If you decide to go with videos, you don't need to pay a third-party supplier in order to upload your video there and then embed it on SystemeIO. In SystemeIO, you can upload all the videos and they do take care of the video hosting. Also, they do have a way in which people can get the PDF if they purchase like right away, so you don't have to be doing that like manually. Since they do have their own calendar, if someone decided to book a call and they make the payment, you can actually program the calendar and says like, okay, these are the days that I'm going to be off. These are the fixed hours and so on and so on. Okay, so everything is automatically, and trust me, with just one platform, you're going to be recognized as an expert. And I want to put a pause here because sometimes we do have like, the imposter syndrome, and we're like, why are people going to purchase something for me? Is there other people out there who are actually killing it? They do have more experience, blah, 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 because we make these stories in our head. Okay, so take that into consideration. People are already waiting for you, waiting of what you have to offer, waiting of the way you actually explain things. And you can choose if you want to make it a one-time payment or recurring offers. Okay, because you are going to have the opportunity to get it integrated with several payment methods, as I showed you before. If you are on a network marketing, okay, you have your own network marketing business, you're going to have the opportunity to create a system in which you're going to be getting leads 24/7. Your leads are going to be qualified thanks to the system, like because they do have also a CRM, which is actually really amazing. So you're gonna have the opportunity to like, okay, this is a hot lead, this is a warm lead, this is a cold lead, okay, this is a webinar, because you're gonna have the opportunity to have an automated webinar sales funnel, so they can actually watch the presentation on demand. So you don't have to be waiting on having a Zoom in order to show your business. So super, super, super powerful. And this is a system that you can also replicate with your downline. And because of the SystemeIO compensation plan, you're going to have another stream of income as well. Okay. If you do affiliate marketing, and this is actually how do I get started, by recommending other people products and services. Maybe you already go to ClickBank, Burger Plus, JBSU, Commission Junction, and you're like, okay, this is the product that I want to promote, or these are the products that I'm going to promote. You can create a sales funnel. You don't have to worry about payment processor. You can do email marketing. You can also send SMS, and the system is going to be automated. Okay. So this is actually another way in which you can actually earn money thanks to SystemeIO. And you can also have your own products and services. You can expand your customer base. This, just in case that you have a physical product, you can actually set up your e-commerce here. And one cool thing, although I don't have it written here, you can actually create your own affiliate program. So if someone already purchased your product, you can tell them like, hey, if you recommend me, this is my compensation plan. This is my own compensation plan. And you can actually earn way more money that way. Okay. So take this into consideration because this is actually really powerful. It doesn't matter if you're having a free system, a service, or if you are actually, with the physical product, because this is a solution that it's adapt literally to everybody. You can also have like these link tree versions of this mini websites that you can put on the social network. You can also do everything here with SystemeIO. So it's really user friendly. It's give you a lot of opportunities to earn money, but you need to take the very first step, which is opening your account by using the link below, and give yourself the opportunity, okay, to do this. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.